new types of counters.
Oh, yeah. Also, I forget, I know I asked Mike about charge counters, and I was like, oh, they're pretty... I thought I remember saying, oh, they're pretty well supported, though, so they're not that weird. And he's like... And I thought he said, like, he tried to underplay charge counters, which I was like,
Well, yeah, if you're trying to go with weird counters, you kind of have to underplay that. Because, oh, I got a Rebecca Gay. It's not seed time. It's Angelic Page.
Okay, let me see if I have it. Let's take a look. Angelic Page?
Yep.
Oh, I have Angelic... I just saw Oromancer and Angelic Renewal.
Yo, how did I not know there's straight up a card called Anarchist?
Really? I forget what it does. Also, I don't have Angelic Page. What does
Ooh.
Angelic Page do?
Here, give me a sec and I'll let you know.
I know it's a white card. That's just my...
Ooh.
I like you.
Grave Troll. Golgari Grave Troll.
Yo!
And a
that's
Mutilate.
There you go. You have the best dredge card.
And a Walking Ballista.
Dude!
That was a pack.
Ooh,
Spasm
goddamn.
Strategist.